Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We are still at home and we are doing our Advent Calendar Palooza. This one's going to be really quick because on the 13th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me OmegaSnax dog treats. We got 2 of these, one for Kevin, one for Fiona. And when we're all done, we're going to put them in a little jar that Becky made. And I'll show you that in a second. Okay, like I said, I think they're all the same. We're going to open them up, a couple up just to verify that they are all the same. So here is number 1. And I just pushed it all the way in. Can you get that out for me, Beck? Oh, okay. And there is one snack.
Looks like 2 snacks.
It does look like 2 snacks. It is 2 snacks.
Well, you shouldn't have bought 2.
Look at that. That's okay. Where is number 2? I don't see number 2 anywhere. Here's number 2. Yep. So I'll open up 3 just to be sure, but I think they're all pretty much the same. Here is 3. Yeah, they're all going to look the same. So we won't bore you to tears, but these are 25 Omega Pack dog treats, salmon and sweet potato flavor. All right, so let me put these in a dish and I'll show you what they look like, and I'll show you what the dish looks like that Becky made. So I spoke a little too soon. These they come in circles, they come in star shapes, and they come in squares. And on the last day, they get a big bone. That's pretty. Look at Fiona's already barking. She smells it a-coming. So we'll give each one of the dogs one, and we'll test them out, see how they like them. All right, Fiona.
You want to?
Photobombed by Audrey. Okay.
Always.
Here we go. Ready?
Sit.
Sit. Can you whisper?
Nope.
No.
There, that's a good one. Whisper.
Hey.
No.
That's speaking.
How about dance? Can you dance?
There you go. Good girl. All right.
All right, you give me a high five? Thank you. What do you got stuck to the floor?
It looks like they like them. Did you like that? He's looking for another one, so that means yes. And the tail is going 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Ooh. Kevin first this time? Kevin sit.
First. Can you sit?
Good boy.
Okay. I'm going to give him another high five.
Give me a high five. Good boy. Here you go. Such a sweet boy.
Okay. Fiona, can
Fiona?
you whisper?
Hey. Nope. Whisper.
She's too excited
she wants
right now.
to
She
show
just
you. I
wants
did
it.
a high
She's like,
five.
no, I really like. She's giving high fives. So.
Come here.
All right. You did some kind of a trick, I guess. Wasn't
Sit.
the right one. And another photo bomb.
There was a whisper.
Okay, so here is the jar that Becky made. What I mean by made, she bought the jar itself, but she made all the lettering here. It's something we'll talk about a little later for projects and things like that. She bought something called a Cricut. It is so cool, and we're going to be able to print up t-shirts, and we're going to be able to do decals and coffee mugs and all sorts of fun stuff. But this is the very first thing she ever made. She just decided to make this. It's really cute. It says, "Beware of the dogs, and don't trust the cats either." So pretty funny stuff. But that's the cookie jar, and it's perfect spot for the dog treats. And so, as always, if you like what you see, give us a big ol' thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I know the dogs like this one because they're still sniffing around Becky's heels as we speak, as she's filming me, going, where's another treat? But we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.